Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 7 minus 8 parenthesis 7 minus 8. So if we solve it directly, so 7 minus 8 they give us minus 1 and 7 minus 8 they give us minus 1 and minus into minus they give us plus, so it is plus 1. So the answer is plus 1. So it's not correct. We solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one subtraction here and one here and one parenthesis. So according to the rule, first we solve parentheses. Now we solve parentheses. So they give us 7 minus 8, and so we solve parentheses. So inside of the parentheses 7 minus 8 they give us minus 1, and 7 minus 8 minus 8 into here, multiplication, and minus 8 into minus 1 they give us plus 8, and 7 plus 8 they give us 15. So the final answer is 15. Thanks for watching.